Maligayang araw sa inyong lahat, or good day everyone. Today, we will be dancing. By the way, hi, I am Shelly Mercader from section W189, a proud Filipina. Speaking of being a Filipina, one fact about our country is that Philippines has a rich cultural heritage which includes a diverse collection of traditional dances. These dances speak so much about the heartbeat of the Filipino people, for they tell about our costumes, ideas, beliefs, superstitions, and events of daily living in the past centuries that enchants also the new audiences. The diverse folk dances in the Philippines was made known to us because of a Filipino woman who have the interest, skill, and tireless devotion to travel to remote barrios in the Philippines. She made the books entitled Philippine National Dances and 5 volumes of Philippine folk dances. This is Francisca Reyes Aquino, considered as the mother of Philippine folk dances. Though there is a wide range of folk dance here in the Philippines, I will only present one. This dance will be the main topic in this video. And this is no other than the famous folk dance in Leyte, Tiklos. Let's dig in deeper first into the background of the dance. Tiklos, also called Pintakasi, is a Waray term for bayanihan. It is a native peasant dance of Leyte and classified as a recreational dance. For centuries, Tiklos has been a very important factor in the social life of the peasant of Leyte. They cooperate for the social and economic progress of their community. Tiklos also refers to a group of peasants who agree to work odd jobs like clearing the forest, preparing the soil for planting, moving a nipahat to a new location, or even building a house for free. Early in the morning, the leader of the Tiklos beats the tambura, a kind of drum made from a hollow trunk of a tree with a carabao hide head. Next is the subing, or bamboo flutes, and gimbal, a small snare drum with the head of a parchment made from the skin of a wild cat. The peasants will bring with them grass hooks, bolos, and other garden tools. Led by the band, they march together to work in the fields. During break time, the peasants enjoy themselves with the tuba, a native wine, and the rest will dance the tiklos, accompanied by the subing, gimbal, and tambura. The music of tiklos is also played to gather the peasants before they start to work. For the costumes, females wear long skirts and long-sleeve peasant-type blouse. A wrap much like an apron is worn over the skirt. Males generally wear long pants and a long, loose shirt. The Tiklos dance is in 2/4 time signature with countings of 1, 2, 1 and 2 in a measure. Music is divided into 2 parts, A and B. For the formation, partners stand opposite to each other about 6 feet apart. When facing the audience, the girl stands at partner's right side. 1 to any number of pairs may take part in this dance. Basic step includes heel and toe change step, cut step, change step, touch step. For heel and toe change step, time signature 2-4. Step pattern and counting. Heel place, count 1. 2 point, count 2. Step, close step, count 1 and 2. Number of measure, 2. Cut step. Time signature, 2-4. Step pattern and counting. Displays right foot with left foot, count 1. Displays left foot with right foot, count 2. Number of measure, 1. For change step, time signature, 2-4. Step pattern and counting. Step, close, step. Count 1 and 2. Number of measure, 1. For touch step, time signature, 2, 4. Step pattern and counting. Point, count 1. Close, count 2. Number of measure, 1. In this dance, there will be 4 figures. For figure 1, heel with your right foot, count 1. 2 point with your right foot, count 2. Then step, close step, or change step to the right, count 3 and 4. Next, repeat these steps starting with the left foot. Count 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then change step to the right, count 8 and 7. Change step to the left, count 6 and 5. Lastly, take 3 steps backward starting with the right foot, then close. Count 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat all the steps in figure 1 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 8 and 7, 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 8 and 7, 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For figure 2, displace left foot with right foot, displace right foot with left foot, or simply do cut step. Then repeat. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Move sideward right 3 gallop steps. Count 5, 6, 7, 8. Displace right foot with left foot, displace left foot with right foot, then repeat. Count 8, 7, 6, 5. Move sideward left 3 gallop steps. Count 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat all the steps in figure 2 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For figure 3, take change step to the right, count 1 and 2. While doing the change step, this will be accompanied with a clap with countings 1 and 2. Hop by raising left foot, count 1, and swing the left foot to the side, count 2. While doing this will be accompanied with a clap. Then take change step to the left with claps, count 1 and 2. Raise the right foot, then swing to the side with claps, count 1, 2. Take 3 steps turn with clockwise direction. Count 1, 2, 3. Touch step with the left foot or point, close, count 1, 2. Take again 3 steps turn with counterclockwise direction. Count 1, 2, 3. Touch step with the right foot. Count 1, 2. Repeat all the steps in figure 3 2 times. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. For figure 4, do touch step by starting with the right foot, count 1, 2. Then also touch step with the left foot, count 3, 4. Jump and land on both feet with right foot in front. Jump and land on both feet with the left foot in front. Jump and land on both feet with right foot in front. Then jump both feet. Count 5, 6, 7, 8. Do again touch step by starting now with the left foot, count 8, 7. Then touch step also with the right foot, count 6, 5. Jump and land on both feet with left foot in front. Jump and land on both feet with right foot in front. Jump and land on both feet with left foot in front. Then jump both feet. Count 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat all the steps in figure 4 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, Remember, all figures from 1 to 4 will be repeated for music A and B. The close dance with music. So that was it. That was the Tickles dance. Easy, isn't it? Yes, that's right. Even young or adults, dancer or not, can do this dance. So to sum it up, Philippine folk dance is a rhythmical movement of the body which has a main goal, and that is to express an idea or emotion, to narrate story, or simply to enjoy and take pleasure of the movement itself. I do believe that this activity has a lot of benefits, not just in our social and cultural aspects, but also a way to develop our physical aspect as an individual. This activity can promote lifelong fitness and wellness, for it is a good source of exercise that could help develop poise and grace. The live music is the cause of this benefit, for it builds the graceful rhythmic synchronization of body movement. Another benefit is that it helps in maintaining good health, as it highlights health-related fitness such as flexibility, strength, and cardiovascular endurance because of the formation, which includes traveling from one place to another. I am determined that through dance movements, people can also communicate, for it has been a strong factor in the expression of one's soul and character. Speaking of dances, Philippine folk dances are one of the durable strands interwoven into our life as an individual that form the fabric of our culture. Thereby, as a proud Filipina, I would love to preserve and promote these dances through conducting programs every year about Philippines culture and arts, where different folk dances are performed to showcase it to the Filipino people, especially to the Filipino children in our own respective community. I believe in that way we can be catalyst of change. They are not just enjoying it, but also gaining knowledge about our own culture. Moreover, we can also include a symposium or simply teach our children how important the dance is by introducing to them the meaning and the history of the dances to retain the colorful spirit we have as a Filipino in their minds and for the next generation to come.